If you want to browse Steam upcoming games, this quick guide will show you the easiest way to find what's coming next on the Steam store. Whether you're looking for wishlist-worthy indie games, big AAA releases, or just want to stay ahead of the next launch, Steam makes it simple once you know where to click. And if you find this tutorial helpful, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software and gaming guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to the Steam store. You can do this by heading to store.steampowered.com. Once the store loads, you'll see the main Steam homepage with featured games, specials, and all the latest content. Now, look at the top menu. You want to hover over Browse. This menu contains several sections that help you discover games in different categories. When you hover over it, a drop-down menu appears with multiple options. From that menu, click New Releases. This takes you to Steam's Releases page, where you can view games that are newly available and also see what's coming up next. On the page that opens, scroll down until you find a section labeled Upcoming Releases. This is the key area you're looking for. Steam organizes these titles so you can preview games before they launch, which is perfect if you like planning your next purchase or keeping an eye on early access and release dates. As you browse the upcoming games list, you'll see a variety of titles with release windows, store pages, and details about the game. You can scroll through the list and click on any game that looks interesting. When you open the game page, you'll be able to see more information like the release date, screenshots, videos, system requirements, and whether it's available for wishlisting. This is especially useful if you want to track upcoming launches and get notified when a game becomes available. Wishlisting games on Steam can also help you keep everything organized in one place so you don't miss the release when it goes live. If you're trying to discover new games before everyone else, this method is the fastest way to browse Steam upcoming games without searching all over the store. Just remember the path: Steam Store, Browse, New Releases, then Upcoming Releases. It's simple, clean, and easy to repeat anytime you want to check what's next. And that's it. Now you know how to browse Steam upcoming games in just a few clicks. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and leave a comment if you want more Steam tips and gaming walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.